Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Here is our another video. Our today's topic is basic definitions of chemistry. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the video notifications. Let's start the video. Definition of working standard. Standard that is used routinely to calibrate or check material measuring instrument or reference materials. Definition of reference standard. A reference standard is a highly characterized, standardized and validated reference material. Definition of mole. The mole is SI unit for amount of the substance. Definition of chromatography. Chromatography is a laboratory technique for separation of mixture. The mixture is dissolved in a fluid called the mobile phase, which carries it through a structure holding another material called stationary phase. The various constituents of mixture travel at different speeds, causing them to separate. Definition of chromatogram. A chromatogram is a visual output of chromatogram. Definition of Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law is that for a particular mass of an ideal gas, the amount and volume of gas are directly proportional provided the temperature and pressure conditions are constant. Definition of spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the analysis of the interaction between matter to any portion of electromagnetic spectrum. Beer-Lombard's law. The Beer-Lombard's law states that the quantity of light is absorbed by a substance dissolved in a fully transmitting solvent is directly proportional to the concentration of substance and the path length of the light through the solution. Definition of exothermic reaction. The reaction in which energy released through light or heat. Definition of endothermic reaction. The reaction in which energy absorbed through light or heat. Definition of cathode. The cathode is where species are reduced. Definition of anode. The anode is where species are oxidized. Definition of electrode. An electrode is a metal whose surface serves as the location where oxidation reduction equilibrium is established between the metal and what is in the solution. Definition of standard electrode. A standard electrode is an electrode used in electrochemical reaction when it is necessary to know the potential of the electrode. Definition of reference electrode. A reference electrode is an electrode which has stable and well-known electrode potential. Definition of strong acid. A strong acid is one that is completely dissociated or ionized in an aqueous solution. It is chemical species with high capacity to lose proton H+. Definition of strong base. A strong base is a base that is completely dissociated in an aqueous solution. This compound ionizes in water to yield one or more hydroxide ion per molecule of base. In contrast, a weak base only partially dissociates into its ions in water, and strong base reacts with strong acid to form stable compound. Definition of weak base. A weak base is a chemical base that does not ionize fully in an aqueous solution. Definition of weak acid. A weak acid is an acid that is partially dissociated into its ions in an aqueous or water. Definition of RF value. RF value in chromatography is the distance traveled by a given component divided by the distance traveled by solvent front. For given system at known temperature, it is characteristic of component and can be used to identify component. Definition of quantitative analysis. Chemical analysis is designed to determine the amounts or proportions of the component of a substance. Definition of qualitative analysis. Identification of the constituents, example, element or functional groups present in a substance. Definition of conductance. Conductance is an expression of the ease with which electric current flows through a substance. Definition of stationary phase. A column which is filled with small silica particles is a stationary phase. Definition of mobile phase. The liquid or gas that flows through chromatographic system, moving the materials to be separated at different rates over the stationary phase. Definition of esterification. Esterification is a chemical reaction that occurs between the acid and alcohol where esters are obtained. The reaction takes place in acidic environment. Definition of Hofmann's elimination reaction. Hofmann's elimination is also known as exhaustive methylation, is a process where a quaternary ammonium reacts to create a tertiary amine and an alkene by treatment with excess methyl iodide followed by treatment with silver oxide, water and heat. Definition of aliquot. Aliquot, it is measured sub-volume of original sample. Definition of diluent. Diluent, material with which sample is diluted. Hope you like this video. For more video notifications, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.